Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about migration inside OroCommerce. So, every system has a technique to load schema of database and load set of data. For demo, for required data. After adding for example, your entity, order, anything, you can create your table or change columns on pre-existing table. So if you go to any vendor inside OroCommerce, you can see the folder migration. You can see two types of migration. First, data migration and schema migration. So data to load set of data. For demo, of your pre-required data for inside admin or front end, and schema to create your table, change columns and step of column. So OroCommerce offer you a bundle, migration bundle, to simplify this migration button, simplify adding table or change column or add a relation between two tables. Easy, but the basic bundle or basic components of project is doctrine, DBL, schema. So OroCommerce using this project inside doctrine to keep abstraction of your table. Easy. If you go to let's create new bundle, migration test bundle. Okay. I will create or get this easy way migration. So I will get this name, full name. I will use inside name to load my bundle like any default bundle such Symfony. So it's easy this and add this. With Oro, I should forget this. Should add Oro, and you should add bundle .yaml. Yeah, pass. Okay. So now we should add a bundle. It's easy. Yes, we have declared our bundle. Nice. Let's imagine that you want add columns or add table to your database. Should add migration folder. Okay, and add schema. You can start adding example. I think I will say how I manage my. Okay, let's use this technique. Should change. Don't know why. The first is L. L. So it's easy. Let's go Read this. Give them the same name. I want to create sample table with migration. Okay. And this here. You can see it, for example, inside our free slider vendors. Okay, let's delete the name from here. I want to just implement migration. I don't want attachments, so just on this. I don't want it. Okay, this relation I don't want. Let's create sample table. For example, I give as name test table. I implement my migration class inside migration bundle of Oro. Let's create test table. Technique to create relation between image. I don't want this, I don't want this, I don't want this. So it's nice. Now all this. Nice. I want to adjust this with just one ID and title. Okay, it's good. I don't want organization or other thing. ID and title. Okay, it will test. Just table you can get from schema as instance of doctrine schema. You can get your table abstraction or instance of your DB, add ID, add title. If you want a title be indexed, you can add easy indexation. You can this indexation give team a name from here. So with this we have created a simple migration to create our table. Okay, it's easy. Create this table, change this. That's nice. Now we will go to okay. Let's cancel cache clear dev. I'm working with dev. Where test. So it's nice. I can see if your vendor has been loaded. Just go to load migration. Okay, migration. Now I will force it. Okay, I make it this loud dashboard. Says dev, no problem. The sample migration is not very complex. Just table with the columns. let's stop. Okay, now let's refresh the page. Nice. We go to profiler. It's nice. You can see the config. Here you can see all your I don't have here my test migration because I think I don't create a configuration file of dependency injection. Enable vendor. I don't know why my is not enabled. I think I have problem. Migration test vendor resources. Yeah, I see the problem. Resources. So I have deleted the cache and refreshed cache and changed name of resource is what's wrong. Now our test is loaded. You can write this now. Beam constant operation mode force example and see what is this. Our migration have forget this. You can see this if name version test often our table has been created. Here you search for test. You have say that's great. So let's start screens. Add data to this table. Data. Alright. Okay. I can add any name. For example, I will copy paste this. Now test. I always change the name and change. I don't want this. I don't continue or anything else. I want just upload my data. I want extend just this. Anything else I don't want. If I look at it, I need to trace all this. Yes. Slider. What is object manager should use? Defensive register is not required. Okay. I don't want to test. If you have an entity, you should add an entity for your just up. You can add. I will add an entity, no problem. What is this? Name. Now test. What is this? Now, panel name, migration tests. You can use the migration data ORM your test. You can use, for example, use all this. Example city. Example test. Increase a new test, and I can use test terminal test. What is this manager? Is this okay? Test. And flash manager. Set test. Okay, I will create a sample doctrine entity. Its name test. You can create sample doctrine entity. Use disclose tank. OroCommerce or Oro platform come with many types of entity. Many types of entity, extend entity, configurable entity, and the sample entity of doctrine can use too. I don't want a configurable or a tank. I want just sample one. Where is this? Okay, I will use ORM with index without configuration as sample as possible. Okay, just I don't want to test. Okay, go to this. Great, test. Which index? Okay, I have tested index. I don't want to test. I don't need. And all is good. Great. So what you can add title and ID. It's nice. ORM ID, ORM searches images. I don't want anything as sample entity. Okay. Great. Can add setter and getter. Okay, can add setter and getter for title. It's easy. It's nice. For information, doctrine give you a technique to create entity directly from DB with your table command line. Okay, all is good. Use now. There is no space. Use ORM. Test. Great. So test. Just. Now you can use migration data load. Don't need this to say if all is good. Okay, we have variable banner. Now test. I don't need this. Set title, not test. So it's good now. Can go to test. Should show. Okay, test, hello, is good. Now you have add table with migration, add data to this table. So it's more explain about this. I will show you where our platform stock information about this. For example, your bundle evening migration test version last version 1_0. Let's imagine you wanna add other version. Okay, let's new folder v101. Now I wanna have, let's copy paste 1. I wanna just modify by add columns. Okay, to table with name, title, description. You can have, for example, you don't want to post and take this, but the table should have table schema gets table. I want to add another version of my extension description. It's nice now. Okay, let's try it. We have here last version 1_0. We see okay, we have an error. Where is the error? Oh, this error. I don't want this, I want this. Kids table. Okay, let's repeat. It's nice. If you go now to your test table, shade description is good. You can update your entity, sample doctrine entity, description, so, and add set description, can complete the setter and greeter, add data. So if you go now to migration, you will see last version is 1_1. About migration data, the system stores the cloud which has the data like here even a band migration data or load test data. You can, if you want to add other data, you can create other class responsible to save this data and just write migration data load and it's done. This simple example how you can use migration with OroCommerce. Thanks for watching.